What do y'all think? Can weather actually be weaponized? Well, in 1967, the US government decided that the answer was yes. During the Vietnam War, US military officials launched a top secret mission known as Operation Popeye. We covered that in the first part of this series. Now, the goal of Operation Popeye was very simple: turn rain into a weapon, make the enemy's supply routes impassable, not with bombs though, but with storms. For 5 whole years, American planes flew over Southeast Asia, releasing that silver iodide, that chemical, into the clouds. The chemical caused artificial monsoons that turned their dirt roads into rivers of mud. That flooded terrain slowed the troops' movements of our enemies. It destroyed their equipment and changed the entire rhythm of the war itself. All with that one spray of chemicals known as silver iodide into the clouds. The operation was kept hidden from the public and even from some members of our own Congress. It wasn't until journalists exposed it years later that the truth finally came out, that weather had quietly become a tool of war. If governments were willing to weaponize weather way back in the 60s, what do you think is possible now? And who decides when it gets used and on whom it gets used? Because here's the thing: cloud seeding didn't stop at the end of the Vietnam War. It was just rebranded. If the sky itself can be used in conflict, is anywhere truly safe? And what happens when the tech falls into the wrong hands, or should I say the wrong funding? Comment if you think weather control should be banned, and follow for part 3, where we get into even more about cloud seeding.